Hey, hello, lovely people. Assalamu alaikum to all, and welcome to my new class. Well, here is your friend Labonno Akter with another new interesting video. Well, so how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Well, I'm also doing great by the grace of Allah. And now tell me, how's your winter going? Well, if you ask about mine, my winter is going awesome. I love the winter a lot. The morning teas, the morning fresh air, the warm blankets, everything about our winter, I just love it a lot. So, I was also missing you guys so much, and then I came across a thought that as it's freezing outside, so why not warm up ourselves by having some knowledge, or you can say learning some interesting phrases together. So, today's video is going to be very interesting. Try not to skip it and watch it full. Well, so without wasting time, let's get to the main point. So, today we're going to learn two interesting phrases. The first one is a layman, and the second one is end in smoke. So, now you guys must be thinking that a layman, how it can be a phrase, right? Because lemon is a fruit, so how can this be a phrase? So, let me clear it up to you. Well, lemon means fruit, but when we add an A to a lemon, then it becomes a phrase. Well, I guess if I give you an example, it will be much easier for you guys to catch it up. So, suppose I have a friend named Sadia, and now how can I use this phrase into a conversation to her? Well, I can say that, Sadia, do you know the car I bought yesterday was just a lemon? So, here a lemon means people who are not satisfied with a particular thing. Well, so wasn't it an interesting phrase? Now you can also use this phrase to your daily conversation with your friends, with your companions, with your family, and amaze them. Well, so moving on to the next phrase, and that is end in smoke. Well, so end in smoke means to culminate failure. I know it's a bit confusing to you all, but don't worry, I am here, and now if I give you an example, I think it will be much easier to you all to understand it. Well, so suppose your friend is Rahul and he is a chain smoker, and you are giving him advice how to get rid of it. To culminate failure. I know it's a bit confusing to you all, but don't worry, I am here, and now if I give you an example, I think it will be much easier to you all to understand it. Well, so suppose your friend is Rahul and he is a chain smoker, and you are giving him advice how to get rid of it. So, how you can use this phrase in that case? So, you can just say that, hey Rahul, if you don't follow these steps correctly, all your efforts for giving up smoking will end in smoke. Well, here end in smoke means a thing or a goal you're trying to achieve will turn into a failure if you don't follow some particular things. So I guess now both of the phrases are clear to you all. And that was it for today. So I really enjoyed a lot with all of you. And also, if you like our video and like to listen to us, please subscribe our channel, My Name Class, and like our page and stay tuned with us. Well, regarding that, I'd like to take a leave and hope you all have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.